Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to simulate the motion lines effect when creating animated titles in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Max at the computer.
Francesca the voice.
Let's start! Activate YouTube subtitles to read in your language. In the previous tutorial, we simulated the motion blur effect. Let's now see how to simulate the motion lines effect to give the sense of fast movement of the object. 1. Copy your title. 2. Move the title under the motion blur effect we created in the previous video. 3. Now we need to give the sense of fast movement. Look for the directional blur effect in the Effects window. The effect is found in the Video Effects Blur and Sharpen category. Insert the effect into the Essential Graphics element. Place the effect above the text layer here. Let's name the effect Motion Lines. OK. Now we can set the parameters of the effect. Blur length, set the value 150. Direction, set the value 91 degrees. Let's check the result. The lines are there, but they must appear only to the left of the text. No lines should be seen here. 4. We need to create a mask to hide the lines. Customize the shape of the mask. It should be fine this way. OK. However, there is a problem. The mask does not follow the movement of the object. 5. We need to create an animation in the path of the mask. Mask path. Set a keyframe at the end. Bring the playhead to the beginning. Move the mask out of the frame. In this way. Now we need to make the motion lines disappear when the motion ends. Set the transparency to 100, just before the end of the animation, about 3 frames earlier. Set transparency to 0 at the end of the animation. Done. When the text moves, we can see the lines of movement. When the text stops, the motion lines disappear. If you want, you can set the mask gradient. Fantastic! Now you can customize your text. Write the new text. Delete the second layer of text. Copy and paste the next text layer. Move the text under the motion lines effect. Edit the mask. Done. In these 2 tutorials, we saw how to simulate the motion blur and motion lines effects. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.